Dear students, welcome to Dabad Academy. Today's session is about understanding cutoff marks for selection in India's 33 Sainik schools. In this video, we will provide you a lot of data for understanding this entire process. Now, let's begin. Basically, in Sainik schools, there are two entry points, one in class 6th and one in class 9th. In class 6th, from this year onwards, there are two new introductions. One is introduction of 10 seats for girl cadets and second is introduction of OBC category. Now, following is the division of seats for last academic session. This is for Sainik School Gorakhal, Nainital, Uttarakhand. As you can see on the screen, for class 6th, basically there are different categories. For SC category, out of 300 marks, if you scored more than 202, you would be called for medicals. For ST category, it was 174. For defense, Uttarakhand. Now, basically there were two concepts in defense from other state and defense from Uttarakhand itself, that is home state. So you need to score 248. If you are a candidate of general category, then if you are from Uttarakhand itself, then it was for 245. Defense other state, it was 250. Now, there was a process up until last year, जो कि इस साल खत्म हो गई है, that was concept of other state. So what was the process? For every Sainik school there were a group of 6 other states जिनसे other state से जो बच्चे जो accept किए जाते थे, but this year it has been abolished. For class 6th girls, for SC students, it was 222 marks out of 300. For ST students, it was 242. Defense cadets, it was 224. If you are a applicant from general category and you belong to Uttarakhand, then you had to score 233 plus to be called for medicals. And if you are a candidate of defense and that to other states, then the cutoff was 242. Now, coming on to the class 9th. In class 9th, again we had SC category. The cutoff was 230 out of 400. अगर आपने हमारी बाकी वीडियोस देखें जिनमें हमने इसमें मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के बारे में काफ़ी डिटेल में बताया, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो गो थ्रू दैट. देन इन SC category that you had to score 216 plus. For defense Uttarakhand, it was 310. For general category from Uttarakhand, it was 312. For defense other states, if you are a student of, like for example Haryana, and you had applied to Sainik School Gorakhal as first choice, then you had to score 300 plus to be called for medicals. For general cadets of other states, it was 320 plus. So now let us move on to the second example, and this example is of Sainik School Purulia, West Bengal. You can pause the slide, you can go through each and every category. Now there are a little bit of abbreviations. So HG means home general. For home general, Sainik School Purulia, West Bengal, you had to score 200 out of 300 to be called for medicals. For home defense, SD means home defense. Then you have OD means other state defense, and OG means other state general. Now, the cutoff marks for SC for Sainik School Purulia was 185 out of 300. For ST it was 134. For home defense it was 193. For other state general, other state defense, it was 192, and for other state general, it has been mentioned below. So this was the cutoff for other states, 6 states that I told you. The entire process has been stopped for this academic session. For class 9th, merit list was SC, you had to score 166 out of 400, 156 out of 400. For ST, home general, it was 220. For home defense, it was 256. For other state defense, it was 264. And one more thing that we'll tell you in the next slides. Now it is for, this slide is for Sainik School Tilaiya, Jharkhand, 2020 entrance exam. So if you are a candidate of SC, then for class 6th, cutoff was 249. For ST, it was 224. Home state defense was 197. Other state defense, it was 236. Home state general, the cutoff was for 266. So it is pretty good. 266 is a good score out of 300. And all this data is for out of 400 for class 9th. Okay? So I hope this will help you understand. As you must have observed, हर स्कूल का कट ऑफ फॉर ईच क्लास, ईच कैटेगरी इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच सैनिक स्कूल, बस मोस्टली इट इज़ प्रिडिक्टेबल। हर साल ऑलमोस्ट कट ऑफ सेम ही होता है। नाउ जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव स्कोर्ड मोर देन द कट ऑफ मार्क्स डजंट गारंटी यू एडमिशन। Next step after cutoff release is students are called for detailed thorough medical examination. We will soon release a video about medical examination in depth. As you can see, lot of students are called for medical. So how much students are called for medicals? It is approximately 2 to 3 times. I mean to say, for example, 100 seats, 300 students are called for medicals. अगर 90 seats हैं तो 270. It's an approximate ratio. 2 to 3 times students are must called for medicals. Now, next slide is about Sainik School Ambikapur, Chhattisgarh. Again, the same pattern has been repeated. Almost 2.5 to 3 times students are called for medicals, and out of these all, then there will be one final merit list जिसमें आपका एंट्रेंस एग्जाम का परफॉर्मेंस और आपका जो मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स का रिजल्ट है वो एक चार्ट बनेगा जिसके अकॉर्डिंग फाइनल एडमिशंस ऑफर किए जाएंगे। Now, this slide is for Sainik School Mainpuri, Uttar Pradesh. As you can see, again, lot of students are called for medicals, and those who qualify medical plus entrance, they will be offered seat for admission. So, concludingly, I would say, now I hope after watching this complete video, you have much more accurate understanding of how much you need to score to get admission in Sainik schools. Also, join us on our Telegram channels. Lot of good preparation resources are available there. Thank you for your precious time. Jai Hind.